Good morning, everyone. This is teacher Nadeem, and today, inshallah, we will start a review for IT skill uh, Excel 2007. So, today, before starting, I would like to show this is our CHI online training program. This is for batch 12, group A, B, C, and D. Subject is IT skill Excel. IT skill 2 topic midterm review. So inshallah next week you all are having midterm exam. And before starting about this review, I would like to tell you this is a review, okay, not exam paper. So please watch the videos properly before which I have uploaded, then you will get many ideas, okay. So in review you will get idea about exam and inshallah many things, but this is not exam paper. So some student asked me, teacher, the question was not there in review, so I'm sorry I cannot give you question paper. So be care, study well, watch all the videos before which I have uploaded. And now I will start the review. So I will send you this PDF file so you can study at home, so don't worry for that. So IT skill review for batch 12. So I will go one by one. Microsoft Excel 2007, how to start Microsoft Excel 2007. So these are the steps: number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Number 5 is missing. I have not added, so you have to use logic for that, which will be the number 5. And it is very easy if you know how to start Microsoft Excel, and you have done this in our classroom in lab also. Okay, next is, if you will see everything which you are looking now at, I have showed you in my previous videos. So what is this, what is cell and cell address? So what is this? This is row, this are columns, and these are the cells, like the green, blue, pink, red. What is the answer you can find here? So if you remember, what is the address for this red? It's B8. What is the for blue? A3. Okay, like that. How to save the file, it's mentioned here. Writing a formula, what is the first and most important thing is, if you're writing any formula, you should start with is equal sign. If you have not using is equal sign, your formula will not work. Simple as that. Okay, then operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, whatever, if you want to use. Then we'll go here about operators. Okay, so there are this is the most important thing. You should memorize this very well, very nicely. Mathematical operators, logical operators, okay. And here we go, reference operators. Only 3 operators are there, okay. So in mathematical operators, you can see the symbol, what we say, plus, minus, divide, right? So as I what is this? Addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. So you have to remember this. Like if I will give you example, addition, what is the symbol for addition? This. If I will give you this symbol, so what is this? Subtraction, right? If I will give you this symbol, what is the name of this operator? Is percentage, right? Then we'll go to logical operators. So over here, greater or equal to, okay, and less than or equal to. So please remember this all operators. Then reference operator is this colon and comma, okay. This is range and this is union, and that's it, nothing much. In the this 10 operators are there, so you can remember the name and operator symbols also. Next we'll go, this is very small, actually I am making your work very easy, but at least do it. If you will review it properly, inshallah you can pass your exam very nicely, okay. Then shortcut keys, okay. Control plus C. If I will press Control plus C key, so what I will do, I will copy the text. Control plus V, paste. Control plus X, cut. P, print. Z, undo. A, all select. S, save. L, left alignment, and so on. If you will do it till here, is it okay? This is for knowledge, okay, more knowledge for malumat, okay. So this I'm, because why I'm showing you, if you will do till here study, if you will study till here, it will be good for you, inshallah. And if you have any questions regarding a review, if what you don't understand, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. That's, I can take Zoom class for review, but it will take too much time and one by one. So that's why I'm making the video, and I am showing you all. And even if you need any help, I'm there for you for what's in WhatsApp group. So I really appreciate for your time. Thank you so much. Inshallah we'll meet soon. Thank you.